Hello all, welcome to the subject of VLSI Design and Technology. This is Professor Meenakshi Pancha from Electronics and Telecommunication Department, Parvatbhai Kanva, Moorthy College of Engineering, Wagholi, Pune. So in the previous lecture we are discussed about mixed type of description. Due to power failure, we have not completed. So in this lecture we will see and we will complete the mixed type of description. So let's start. In this mixed type of description, we are going to see the different types of description. So we will begin with the architecture. There are many descriptions. For example, behavior data flow we have explained or we have seen in previous lectures. So in today's lecture, what we are mixing all the structures, right? Writing one program. That name is ALU mixed, which will perform the logical operations and arithmetic operation of the entity name is ALU mixed. Here we have seen in the previous structures, we have seen how entity and port will be declared. So in today's lecture, I am not going the part of entity. I am going directly to the architecture part. So you guys, you try that entity part, and I am for my logical operation, the signal will be required. Clock signal will be required. So I am providing here input signals. On that the operation will be takes place. So there are two input signals, that is C0 and C1 for clock purpose, and I am mentioning the data type is standard logic. What is the standard logic? I have explained in the data type part. And other signal is P. These two are input signals, and I am going to assign unsigned, and which is having 2 down to 0 is nothing but which is having 3 bits. 2 down to 0, 2, 1, 0. So this is a vector form data type. So other one signal is signal temp. Temp 1. This is also unsigned, which is having 5 down to 0, which is also unnamed. So each statement should be end with a semicolon. Now I am going to begin the architecture. Here first I am going to assigning or writing architecture what data flow. Data flow description model I am going to discuss here, because mixed type which is having combination of two or more, combination of 2 or more description which is having. So I want to assign my G output. G should be my output. I am going to assign here my G output bit 0 should be have and operation of both the A and B 0 bit, which should perform the bit 0 of A and B, which bit 0 signal which may be high or low. These two bits and operation should be performed, and that result should be stored in Z0 bit. Similarly, G1. So here also, what should have perform and operation. Similarly for bit 2 also. Bit 2 should be hold the result of AND operation of second bit of A and B, and end with a semicolon. So what is this? This is the data structure. And next I am going to write the following. And the following is a behavioral description. Behavioral description, and C0 how we are going to begin behavioral description. The behavioral description going to begin from predefined word process. Process, what should be process? A comma B. These two are terminals. Here C in is OPC and temp. These are the information about input output terminals. These terminals are having in our architectures. And variables, variable temp, and I am going to unsigned 5 down to 0. So this is one of the variable I am going to assign here, and other variables like A, like A1, A2, these are also operates on bit. So I am considering here each bit. These result should be hold, with result should be hold, integer result should be hold. This kind of variable should be hold integer result. And now I am going to begin my behavioral architecture by a predefined command begin. So A1 is my output, which should have 2 integer of A. Which should have integer value of A, and A2 bit should be hold integer value of B. So this is my operation, and I am giving here is OPC is, what is my OPC is here? What will happen when I am going to assign? This is the end of ALU mixed. This is one of the simple example which will having